Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Once we know what is linked list, it's time to see various common operations and their time complexity in case of linked list. So let's begin. Here we will mainly consider the worst case scenario. Firstly, we will see insertion. So for insertion, time complexity is O of 1. So suppose here before C, I want to insert another node called as X. So to insert node X, I need to start from head, then I will go to B and then I will make the next of B to my X and the next of X to the C. So in this way, how insertion can be of 1. So insertion is of 1, but finding the node itself is of n. So always keep in mind. The same way we have deletion. For deletion also, we have the same thing. The node deletion itself is O of 1. But yes, node finding is O of n. So in this example, suppose I want to delete our node C. So firstly, I will start with A, then I will go to B and then I will realize yes, I found node C. So what I will do, I will just make next of B as D and my things are done. So deletion is simple. It is O of 1. But yes, the node finding is O of n. Then we have something called as traversal. That means we want to print all the values inside a linked list. So at that time, it will be O of n. Then we have something called as access. So suppose I want to access the value at index 3. Although the index is not given, but I want to get the third value. So for that, I need to start from 0th value or the head, then next, then next, then next, like that. I need to perform an operation. So there, the time complexity will be O of n. As I have already told you, linked list is something like a staircase. When we want to reach to the 5th floor, we need to start from the bottom. Then we will go to the first floor, then to the second floor, then to the third floor, fourth floor, and finally to the 5th floor. While in case of an array, there we have lift. Suppose I want to reach to the 5th floor, I can simply press the button and I will reach from ground floor to the 5th floor. So access is little slow in case of linked list. Then we have something called as searching. So here, suppose I want to check whether the value D exists or not in a linked list. So for that searching, we have time complexity of O of n, as we need to travel from our head node to the next and to the next, like that. And then finally we will check whether the value is exactly what I want. So the time complexity will be O of n. In this way, we have covered all the things in linked list operation, and in our next video tutorial, we will try to implement all these operations one by one in our linked list. So stay tuned for next video tutorial and please follow my complete playlist to have complete understanding about overall data structure and algorithm. Thank you very much for now.